Summer has officially left the building. It is now hoodie season, which is kind of my favorite. So today I'm gonna attempt to make an autumn type beat. Easy, chill, cozy. So let's give it a shot. The most cozy sounds are the ones that have some noise in it, some tape sounds. So I'm gonna start off with this Mellotron. This is such an old VST, but I still like it a lot. Yeah. Got it. It's kind of sad, like on the verge of sad. It's minor for sure. It's a rainy day. It's autumn. Like something's gonna go on top. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. So now I need like something high. So let's try and find a high, sparkly sound. Maybe just keep it on one note. Let's see. Do, do, do. Oh, this needs to go lower. That's not gonna work. I'll have to draw that in. Oh. Do, do, do. That's the same, but lower. Do, do, do. Same. There's already a lot going on, but I'm still missing some glue in my melody, so I'll probably go for a pad, as I do. Synth pad. Very quiet. The attack is too slow, so envelope. Absinthe is always so quiet. Yep, that's gonna be a repetitive melody for this pad. Start here. I'm missing a note on my keyboard, so no, perfect. Oops. Bass. It hits way less hard if you play it on the keyboard because the velocity is way lower. I can probably change that in the settings or something. Anyway, actually I'll just draw it in. Yeah. Do-do-do. Do-do. Do-do-do. Do-do. Short ones. Do-do-do. Yep. I think I'm not gonna need a kick because this 808 has a huge attack. I usually do combine an 808 with a kick, but then I kind of fade in the 808 in the sampler. But I might, you know, try something new. For me at least. Just a really simple rim shot. Let's just clean that up. Simple hi-hat too. Let's keep it simple today. This will work. Actually, no, one more. These have to get cut in half. Actually, let's create a lower hi-hat as well. So I'm gonna copy this one here, lower it maybe one semitone. That should do. Select these. A little less velocity. And these lower ones are gonna be even softer. Open hat. So this is my complete loop where everything is playing at the same time. So now I have my building blocks to do a little arrangement. I was thinking that this one has so much I can adjust. In the verses, I can keep this one really small and like add the key noise and the mechanics noise. This is how it sounds when it's small. I might add some delay though and reverb. Yeah, that's nice. And then in the hook, I can go here and then go super wide. And then I'm gonna take out the mechanics. Or maybe like add that one underneath the small one. That might actually be good. Okay, did some arranging and I did layer these two in the hook. So if I solo it, this one, and this is the other one, and together. I also did a little tweaking. So this is the intro and then at the end here to create a little transition into the hook. So what's happening is I'm doing a little frequency sweep over here, and this one is just bypassing frequency. Frequency the plugin and frequency sweep as in, watch this. This one. So that's that. And then I'm also adding Bit Crusher. As you can hear, it's kind of crushing this whole sound completely. Let me show you the Bit Crusher. That's this one. So that's that. And also a little manual panning, left, right, left. So that's that. What else? Nothing much. Just a simple intro, hook, verse, hook, verse, hook, outro. So let's go and look for something to add to this. I'm thinking like a radio voice type thing. Might be a little cliche, I'm gonna have to try it out. So, radio voice. Incoming. Wait, let me try it. Boom, boom. He's saying incoming, right? Okay, I'm getting this one. Grid. Let's just keep it here for now. Maybe just pan it a little, turn it down. Okay. But I was actually looking for something to go underneath the whole intro. So let's go back. Maybe like a texture. And let's just select BPM, and my key is A minor. I like that one. This could be nice. Let's get this one and the piano one. This one. That should do. Ooh, that's very short. I think that's enough for the intro. I don't want to clutter it too much because then there's no contrast with the heavier hook. Speaking about the hook, this could use like a vocal, not an artist vocal, but an effect-like vocal. Instruments, female vocal. Let's make it easy on ourselves and filter it according to the BPM as well. Minor. All right. Don't think it's clinically improving. Can you feel my... I'm looking for something more lo-fi. No time for here. This one was actually fire. They're not really words that you're hearing, but that's perfect. See if it matches the vibe. Yo. This one's nice. Whoa, wait. Okay, here we go. Now let this one go. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. Da dee da da dee. 1, 2, 3, 4. What was the other one? This one. SOOH. What did you do? Oh, that's way longer, of course, but I mean, I'm just gonna pick the first part here. What did that did? Oh, come on. Fire. What did it, what we? I don't know what she's saying, but I love it. Let's have a listen. Smooth. Right? You know what I do to test the flow of my drums? I do my little bow wow wow rap, my little verse. Listen, listen. Now that the gate's wide open, it is I who they running from. Little with the ill crossover like Iverson in 2K. My way, I'm the first to rock, first to drop. Lights in the bezel of a G-Shock. Like Big and Pac, I'm hard to forget. What makes it even worse? I'm just getting started. Yeah, that's me, that's got your daughter in a frenzy. Yeah, that's me, that's got her arguing with her friends about who gon' get me when they see me saying, do you see him? Ooh, he the man. 13, game lock, don't trip. All that in the bag of chips. I been seen with the baddest, heard with the best, and I got it locked down from the east to the west. Look in my eyes, y'all know I ain't playing. That's why all through the streets, all I hear people saying is bow wow wow, yippee yo, yippee yay. Dogs at bark with me now, bow wow wow, yippee yo, yippee yay. And all the girls around the block that love how it's going down say bow wow wow, yippee yo, yippee yay. Where's my dogs at? Bark with me now, bow wow wow, yippee yo, yippee yay. And all the girls around the block that love how it's going down. So it flows, you know. That's how I do it. That's my secret. There you go. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.